Hi my friends, and welcome back to our ST Structured Text Programming Language tutorial, and in this lesson we will talk about the timers. And in the PLC some equipment must be only turned on for the certain period of the time. For example, a motor could be programming to run for the 30 minutes per hour, or level sensor in the tank will increase the alarm until after a certain period of time is finished. So commonly we use the two types of timers. It's a tone and TOF timer. And about the tone timer, so let's open the paint here. And how work the tone timer. So my friends, we have the two inputs and one output. Here is our in is our PT, and it's our Q. So my friends, a tone timer turns the output Q, this output, to true after the input in has been on for the present time of PT. So if you click the start button, and this button is connection to input of our timers, and you set PT for the 5 seconds, you must hold the start button for the 5 seconds, because if you release your hand from the button, for example during the 3 seconds, the timer is not activated. And also my friends, I forgot to add one output. Here is the present time is AT here. And my friends, another type of our timers is a TOF timer, off delay timer. A TOF timer keep the output Q, this one, to true for the present time PT after after the input in is turned off. And my friends, let's write some program and try to simulate our programs. Firstly, let's grade some timer. Okay, let's do it here. And my timer, my time, and it's belong to tone. And also we have the, let's use the timer current, and use the time with the capital. I think my friends, we will do simple example, but after we finished all our courses, I think we repeat all our lessons by example to consolidate our knowledge. So let's write a simple example, and we will write the code for the automatic restart timer. So we will do it like think like my timer, my time, my time in we will not in must be not in my timer queue. So we write it like this: in is equal not my time dot queue, and our PT is equal to we must set time is equal to t dash 10 seconds. And let's close it, and we make some condition here. If my time dot q is equal to true, then here you can write your code if you want change, or you want to switch off the motors or switch on the motors, and we close it. And here we use the timer count, timer current is equal to my time dot at. And let's compile our project. Build, we have one error here. Statement at last one statement is required. Okay, let's so my friends, let's declare one variable here, number 2, and it's equal to int ok, and here I want to increase the value of our variables and write it like plus 1, and I also want to decrease the timer to 8. So let's compile again. Now we don't have any problems. So login and online run. And now you see that our timer is starting, and let's look together what happened after it's finished the counting. So you see it's automatically restarting, and now okay, we have add one value to our num blocks, but it's not our num variable, but it's not changed because we are not increased it. Now I changed the operation to increase. Let's look what happened. Now it's 0, you see. Now it's 1, and next step. Actually, my friends, I don't understand why the value is not increased automatically. Let's change another logic. Without, and let's do it like this: num plus num1. Okay, copy this one and enter this here. Okay, let's try again. Build and online login and run. Let's look what happened. Now 1. Yes, it's changed, my friend. And my friends, that's all for today. I think it's not necessary to show you how the TOF timers work. And in the next lesson we will continue learning about built-in function. And as I said before, after we complete our course, we return to our practical exercise. And I wish you good health and good luck. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. See you in the next lesson.